how to get 4K quality on Capcut. First, open your Capcut application and then select new project and then just tap on the video you want to edit and then click on add, and then here go to filters and then click on adjust and find graph and tap on it. After coming to graph, do this to all colors. After doing this, just tap on your video. After doing this, go back and go to effects and then tap on video effects, go to basic and apply blur. After applying blur, go to quality option and drag it to 4K and then just export it and then wait until it is exported. After it is exported, click on done and then again tap on new project and then again select your old clip and then add it. Then go to overlay and tap on add overlay and then click on your edited clip and then click on your edited clip. After it is added, match its size to the old clip and then click on splice and then go for burn option and drag it to 50 and then again tap on add overlay, go to stock video and select the white image. Then match its size to your old clip. Then again go to splice and select overlay and adjust it according to your choice. So now you can see that the video quality has been improved. Then go to quality option and drag it to 4K and just export it. So now your video quality has been improved to 4K. So subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.